Take it further with action, son. niggas just don't understand, you know what I mean? Niggas coming sideways, thinking something sweet, man. You know what I mean? Niggas don't understand the four devils: lust, envy, hate, jealousy. Wicked niggas, man.
Yo, sit back, relax, catch a contact, sip your cognac, and let's all wash this money through this laundromat. Sneak attack, a new cast and rap worth top dollar. In fact, touch mines and I'll react like a rock waller. Who could relate? We play for high stakes at gunpoint, catch 'em and break. Undress some time with tape, no escape. The Coleon, Fettuccine, Capone, roam in your own zone or get kidnapped and clapped in your dome. We got it sewn. The firm are the wars unknown. Lower your tone, face it. Homicide cases get thrown. Aristocrats. Politic and deli with diplomats. To me, I'm an official Mac, Lex, Coupe,
Criminal
black.
thoughts in the reports. My destiny's to be the new boss. A nigga poorly gotta die too sore. A nigga's dead on. I key a heron. They found his head on the couch with his dick in his mouth. I put the hit out. Yo, the smoothest killer since Bugsy. Bitches love me. In Queens where my drugs be. I wear Guess jeans and rugbies. Yo, my people from Medina, they will see you when you re-up, bring your heater or your cream go between us. Real shit. My Desert Eagle got an ill grip. I chill with niggas that hit Dominicans, bots and steel bricks. My red beam made a dread scream and spray the Fed team. Corleone be turning niggas to fiends. Yukons and Ninja Black Lexus. Mega the pretty boy with mafia connections. It's the firm nigga said it.
Yo, my mind is seeing through your design like blind fury. I shine Jerry sipping on crushed grapes. We lust papes and push cakes inside the casket at Just Wait. It's sickening. He just finished spitting upstate and out of projects. It's talking that somebody gotta die shit. It's logic as long as it's nobody that's in my clique. My man Smoke knew how to expand coke and Mr. Coffee. Feds cost me $2 mil to get the system off me. Life's a bitch, but God forbid the bitch divorce me. I'll be flooded with ice on hellfire, can't scorch me. Cuban cigars, meeting Foxy at the Mars, moving cars. Your top poppy, Senior Escobar.
In the black Camaro, firm deep, all my niggas hail the blackest sparrow. While the bees beat the apparel through the darkest tunnel. I got visions of multi-millions in the biggest bundle. In the Lex, pushed by my nigga Jungle. E-money bags, got my West Sean Dawn bundle of 62. They ain't got a clue what we about to do. My whole team, we shitting hard like Czar. Soulside, Foxy Brown, Cormega and Escobar. I keep a fat Marquise piece, laced in all the illest snakeskin. Armani sweaters, Carolina Herrera. Be the firm, baby, from BK to the bridge. My nigga Wiz, Operation Firm Biz. So what the deal is, I keep a fat Jewel, sipping Christie, sitting on top of 50 grand in the Nautica van. We stay incognito like all them thug niggas in Marcy. The guard, they praise Allah with visions of Gandhi. Bet it on, my whole crew is Don Juan. On Cayman Island with a case of Cristal and Baba Shala spoke. Nigga with them Cubans that snort coke. Raw though, an ounce mixed with leak that's pure though. Flipping the bigger picture, the bigger nigga with the cheddar was mad chipper. He had a fucking villa in Manila. We got the fleet in Panama. But wait, it's half and half. Keys is 1 2/5 on how we flip. 32 grams raw, chopping in half, get 16. Double it times 3, we got 48, which mean a whole lot of cream. Divide the profit by 4, subtract it by 8. We back to 16, now add the other 2 that Mega bringing through. So let's see, if we flip this other key, then that's more for me. Mad Coke and Mad Leak, plus a 500. Cut in half is 250, now triple that times 3. We got 3/4 of another key. The Firm, baby, volume 1,
My soul wants to sing. that make my soul wants to sing. I once saw a mother cry. I once held a brother while he died. I looked to God and asked him why my soul wants to sing. I walk the streets day and night. Many live and many fight. Many run and hide in fright. My soul wants to sing. On my knees I pray each day. Oh Lord, please take the pain away. Quiet my soul with its singing ways. Give me the peace that quiet brings. My soul wants to sing. My soul wants to sing. Lord, quiet my soul with its singing ways. Give me the peace that quiet brings. My soul wants to sing. My soul wants to sing.
Take this for example, young brothers want rep, cause in the life they're living, you can't have step. It starts with the young ones doing crimes for fun, and if you ain't down, you'll get played out, son. So let's get a car, you know I fly with. Get a dent, pull a screwdriver, and be off quick with the dope ride, yeah, and a rowdy crew. We could bag us a Benz and an Audi too, even a Jeep or van, goddamn, we're getting ours, yo. Take a trip up the strip and be like stars, so it doesn't matter if the cops be scoping. They can't do jack, that's why a young brother's open to do anything, anywhere, any place. Buck wild in another court case, it's the code of the streets. They might say that we're a menace to society, but at the same time I say, why is it me? Am I the target for destruction? What about the system and total corruption? I can't work at no fast food joint, I got some talent, so don't you get my point? I'll organize some brothers and get crazy loot, selling DRUGS's and clocking dollars, true. Cause the facto, yo, that suits me fine. I gotta have it so I can leave behind the mad poverty, never having, always needed. If a sucker steps up, then I leave him bleeding. I gotta get mine, I can't take no shorts. And while I'm selling, here's a flash report. Organized crime, they get theirs on the down low. Here's the ticket, wanna bet on a horse show? You got to be a pro, do what you know, when you're dealing with the code of the streets. out of 10 I win. With the skills I be wielding, got the 10th one kneeling, let me express my feelings. Cool has never been one to play a big shot. It's just the styles I got that keep my mic hot. And fuck turning my back to the street scene. It gives me energy, so I'ma keep fiends coming just to get what I'm selling. Maybe criminal or felon, dropping gems on your melon. So keep abreast to the gangsta conquest. Underground roughnecks, pounds of respect. I've never been afraid to let loose my speech. My brothers know I kick the code up the streets.
Teflon Dawn. I'm back, baby. The year of the nines. And I'ma have to make these motherfuckers an offer they can't refuse. You know? What's going on? Yo, come on, you know what's on. I wrote a song, test my flow on the Autobahn. Make sure the force is right. I floss all night. Get off the mic, it'll smoke like an exhaust pipe. Keep them in the library, studying my theory. Raw theory can translate it in Swahili. From the lands as far as Zanzibar. They understand the art, the man, the law. It's obvious why the copy is, they copy this. Soon as my data processes Y2K, they floppy this. Now who the hottest is? How can it not be this? Baby, who the cocky is? Poppy is, Grassy is. Hey yo, this be so magnifico. Even my typical style's difficult. Make a crowd go wild when I rip a show. Better stand back, this'll blow you, didn't know. They show me love when I come through. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever. You ever witness rapport like this before? It's Major, kiss the floor, say bish my law. It's the chosen one with the golden tongue. Flow for the old and young when I'm holding one. In the front row city, we show no pity. Where kids get jiggy, and girls are so pretty. The wanderer, back from Casablanca. The stomper, what next for to conquer? So let's go, the best show will explode. No dress codes, they just posing their best clothes. Girls get exposed when I show my rap expo. Will it be a next episode? I guess so. Those that have doubt wanted a had clout. What they mad about must be a cash route. MCs switch they style from they last route. And I bet soon as they hear this, they spaz out. They show me love when I come through. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever. They show me love when I come through. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever. Wherever rock him go, it's the guard tempo. It's simple. My MO, no problemo. Been all over the map, even know where hell is at. I get the welcome mat and then welcome back. My flow is raw, they treat me like Mr. Know-It-All. They want me to show them all my brand new protocol. Excuse them why I make a move for raw. You ain't soup and raw, save the hoopla. Let me find out you rhymed out, designed out, pulling dimes out. You climb out, but time out, I'm at the free throw. Playing ball or CeeLo, I keep though reloaded like Carlito, incognito. I be so low-key, women get nosy. I do a show they wanna go see, they get to know me in the front row seat. They cozy, thinking I'm giving them the Bobo V until they OG. They show me love when I come through. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever. They show me love when I come through. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever. They show me love when I come through. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever. They show me love when I flow. Yo, any club that I come to, I hear the microphone check 1, 2. And they know what I wanna do. Flow forever.
summer in Paris, the summer in Paris.